Marketing, you are ready to market only when you have experimented your course with 10 to 20 people. They've given you feedback, you've improvised your course, you have learned a lot more things, you got more deeper into what needs to be done. And then when your course has become solid, where it does not require your upgrades or re-strategizing, repositioning of content, changing the processes. Once it is all stable, then you are ready to scale your business, and that's where you will need to have all the digital system in place, provided you mean serious business. That then you are ready to build your anytime money making machine, and what it takes to create your digital factory is what I'm going to be sharing now, right? So it requires a personal branded website. Now there are few important, very important, 6 important components of your website, right? If you're in personal branding space, you should have your photo on a great photo shoot. So you need your logo, some creatives, some design, good color combination. Choose a color that you will stay on, right? I see websites a multicolor website. There is no brand feel, look and feel. Then you whatever pain gain, the content and communication is what we prepared on your personal clarity sheet. That has to come on your website because that content is valuable. You're communicating the value, you're addressing the pain and the pleasure that your target audience are expecting, right? Your outcomes, what people will, how they will get transformed, what they will get out of your program, because people buy outcomes, they pay you money for outcomes. And then lead generation, how to automate lead generation process on your website, and call to actions, very important components of a high converting website, right? So you have to build that kind of a website. That is why it is not a website anymore. It is an online office. Okay. Then I'm just going to cover this. Then I'll give you a walkthrough of my website quickly. List building system is where your name, email IDs, phone numbers, contact, your asset, it's like gold. Your list is gold. The people who have showed interest in your offering, your customers, are gold. You have to make sure that you are storing the gold properly. Will you put gold all over the home? You have a locker, right? You keep gold in locker. So make sure you have list building system in place. These are some of the list building tools: Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Constant Connect, Mailchimp. I'll give all the links later in the WhatsApp group, okay? And I'm using GetResponse. I'll show you that. Learning management system I showed yesterday. I'm using Teachable. There are Thinkific, Kajabi, LearnDash. I have been a user of Kajabi. Some other program that I signed up was on Kajabi. Thinkific also, I have been a user of Thinkific in terms of some others program. Teachable I'm personally using. LearnDash I have not explored, but I have got, some of my friends have given me a good review of it. So because only one time cost, not recurring cost. So I'm putting that here, but I can't answer your questions on LearnDash. Funnel building system, it's, when you're running a campaign, you have to create a specific page. Okay, so for that, it is not necessary to buy any funnel building software at that stage. You can simply have one page on your website and direct to that, which is only talking about the product. So you can reduce this cost completely. This is not needed at this stage. ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnel, Unbounce, they're not needed at this stage. But if you're building a proper, because ClickFunnels are very, these tools are very powerful tools, but we are simply using as a landing page, not required. List building, GetResponse itself gives a landing page, and for sign up forms and all those things. So unless you understand how to use this tool, there's no point in investing in that tool. It's better to pay an agency and get your work done. Webinar selling system. So now you need a broadcast system for your courses. So Zoom, Demio, Webinar Gem, I've used all of them. And I was very happy with Demio because it simplified a lot of life for me. But now I am on enterprise version of Zoom and I get a lot more features here. So it depends because more or less Demio used to be expensive, $74 and all. But Zoom, right now you don't have to go on webinar also. Simply use that $15 Zoom account for meetings and just conduct it that way. Okay. Link tracking is basically analytics, what source is working for you. So it is more analytics kind. Again, initially, I think for up to 100 people, 100, 200, 500 customers, you don't need all of these. Okay, when you're ready to scale, you need all these things, and that is the time you should be investing and learning more about them. So this is how you set up your digital factory, right? So this is all what I had to share.